Hey friends. All right, we're going to read this story because we have started to learn the letter I this week. So we're going to read a story that has a bunch of words in it that have the I sound in the middle and at the beginning. All right, so this story is called Pip Sits. So P, Pip. We hear the I sound in there. Sits. Mom sits, Pip looks for fun. Pip goes up, he jumps, he plops, he peeks. He's having a good time. Pip sees Mother Duck. I have to go, says Mother Duck. Will you sit on my eggs? I hear lots of I words. Pip gets in the nest. Pip sits. He hears a tap. He feels a poke. Oh no, what do you think's going to happen? A duck comes out. Mama, it says. It's going to think that Pip is his mom. Pop, 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 pop. All the ducks come out. Mama, they say. Mama, mama, mama. Oh no, Pip's not their mama. Pip loves the ducks. They sit. Do you hear the I sound in some of these words? They sleep. Peep, peep. One peeps. They all peep. Peep, 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 peep. Uh-oh. The ducks want to eat. That's what I figured was happening. They were hungry. Mother Duck comes. My babies! But the babies want Pip. Uh-oh, poor mama. Beep, 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 beep. What? Come, says Mother Duck. Come, says Pip. The ducks like water. Hop, hop, plop, plop, flop. Pip does not. Pip cries. His mother comes. Mama! Quack. Everyone is happy. Pip got his mommy. And the babies found their mama duck. That was cute. But we heard p, Pip. That has I in the middle. And we heard sits. Sits. Good.